Google News offers a remarkable opportunity to earn money online with a simple process. By using it just once, you can make $100, and using it twice can yield $200. With consistent effort, you could potentially earn over $900. Let's dive into the steps and tools required to harness this potential. The first step is to visit news.google.com, https://news.google.com, a free service provided by Google where you can access the latest and most viral news from around the world. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice various categories of news, such as business, technology, personal finance, gadgets, and more. At the top of the page, you'll find trending topics that include business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. For the purposes of this guide, focusing on topics like business, technology, or health is recommended due to their broad appeal and ability to attract a larger audience. For instance, if you select the health topic, you'll be directed to a page filled with trending health-related articles. These articles often discuss issues that resonate with a wide audience, making them ideal for this strategy. As an example, let's consider an article about dark chocolate, which explores whether it is healthy for the heart and brain. Since chocolate is a universally loved treat, this topic naturally sparks curiosity among a large group of people. Selecting such relatable and intriguing articles increases the likelihood of engaging your audience effectively. Once you've chosen an article, the next step is to use a video creation tool like InVideo AI to transform the content into an engaging video. The reason for using InVideo AI is simple: it allows you to create professional quality videos with ease. To illustrate this, consider the success story of the YouTube channel Videos in Health, which operates in the health niche. This channel has only posted 51 videos yet garnered over 4 million views and 78,000 subscribers in just 5 months. With an average revenue per mil, RPM, of $5 to $10 for 1,000 views in this niche, their monthly income exceeds $16,000. Their most popular video has already surpassed 1.7 million views, showcasing the immense potential of faceless YouTube channels. A closer look at Videos in Health's videos reveals that they feature a clear and pleasant voiceover, accompanied by stock footage and text overlays to explain the content. These videos can be created easily using InVideo AI. However, it's crucial to use a real human voice for the voiceovers, as this minimizes the risk of demonetization on YouTube. InVideo AI provides a feature to clone your voice, making the process even more convenient. By uploading your voice to the platform, you can command InVideo AI to generate videos with your cloned voice, eliminating the need to record voiceovers manually for each video. Once your voice is cloned and ready, the next step is to create the video using the Google News article you selected earlier. Start by copying the article's URL, then navigate to the Create AI Video option in InVideo AI. This will take you to a page where you can paste the URL into the designated box. Additionally, copy the article's title and subtitle and paste them into the respective fields. After filling out these details, simply press Generate Video, and InVideo AI will produce a complete video for you in a matter of minutes. The videos generated by InVideo AI are highly polished, featuring a well-crafted script, clear voiceovers, and appropriate background music. Text overlays are automatically included, enhancing the video's professional quality. However, if adjustments are needed, InVideo AI provides various editing options. Users can regenerate the video to incorporate new preferences or manually edit elements like music, media, or the script. The platform also allows seamless customization of stock footage, images, and audio tracks. Whether you need to fine-tune the pace, change the voice, or translate the video into different languages, InVideo AI ensures a smooth editing experience tailored to your needs. To regenerate the entire video, simply click on the Versions option in the bottom left corner of the platform. This feature allows you to update preferences such as audience type, visual style, and platform specifications. After adjusting these settings, you can regenerate the video, and InVideo AI will create a new version tailored to your updated inputs. This option is ideal for achieving a refreshed or revised outcome without starting from scratch. With just a few clicks, you can customize the video to better suit your audience and requirements, ensuring a professional and targeted final product every time. Alternatively, you can manually edit the video. This includes modifying the background music, media, or script. For music, you can browse a wide library of tracks and search for specific genres, such as hip-hop or classical. Once you find a track you like, replacing the existing music is just a click away. For media edits, InVideo AI allows you to change images or video clips used in the project. You can upload your own media or choose from over 8 million stock options available on the platform. Changes can be applied seamlessly, ensuring that your video aligns with your vision. If you want to tweak the script, InVideo AI makes it easy to do so. You can edit the text directly, add new chapters, or remove sections as needed. Once the script is updated, InVideo AI will incorporate the changes into the video automatically. For those who prefer a more conversational editing process, you can simply type commands into a designated box to request specific changes, such as altering the voice, pace, or background music. One particularly impressive feature of InVideo AI is its multilingual support. You can translate the entire video into different languages, broadening its reach to global audiences. For instance, you can translate a video into French, Hindi, or any other language with just a simple command. The platform will regenerate the video with the translated script, ensuring accuracy and fluency in the new language. Once your video is finalized, the final step is to export it. InVideo AI allows you to download videos in 1080p resolution. While you can export videos with watermarks, upgrading to a paid plan removes these watermarks and unlocks additional features. The subscription starts at $25 per month, a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about video creation and monetization. Once you export the video, upload it to your YouTube channel and optimize it for SEO. Use relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags to boost visibility. Enhance the video's appeal with a compelling thumbnail that grabs viewers' attention. As your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, you can begin earning ad revenue from your content. By consistently creating and optimizing videos using this process, you can steadily grow your channel's audience and revenue. Regular uploads combined with strategic SEO practices will help you build a sustainable income stream and expand your presence on YouTube effectively over time. In summary, this method leverages the vast repository of content available on Google News and the advanced capabilities of InVideo AI to create high-quality, engaging videos effortlessly. By focusing on relatable and trending topics, using professional tools for video creation, and ensuring consistency, you can turn this simple strategy into a lucrative source of income.